morning. It's day 4 of our ride. We're having a rest in Thai. We stopped here last night at the very luxurious resort to celebrate Thad's birthday. What's the name of the resort? Alpine. Jamie? Let's say we're a bit... So someone's got the idea of staying safe, but apparently singlet, shorts is the way to go. Okay, we're at the Thai hot springs. Yeah, a bit dusty. Oh,
it's our mind strategy, you know.
We have shit in it. Here we have, you can see the gas is coming out. That would taste nice. Sort of regretting that. Come on, big fella. Come on. Run it. Come on. That's it. They go on there. Fuck, no, he fell. Oh, I got this thing here too.